Do you ever feel like you just can't escape the heat? Well, now you can, wherever you go. Say hello to the Zero Breeze, the world's coolest portable air conditioner. Hi, I'm Duncan. I'm here today to tell you about Zero Breeze. Zero Breeze is the first of its kind. Never before have you been able to take an air conditioner wherever you go. It's lightweight, whisper quiet, and loaded with cool features. Not only is it the best portable air conditioner you can buy, it's a Bluetooth speaker, a night light, and a cell phone charging station. Our team has been developing this product over the past 2 years, and it is the first portable air conditioner to use a rotary compressor. You can use it by plugging it in or by using its long-lasting battery power. And the battery only takes 3 to 5 hours to fully charge. It has 3 fan speeds and cool settings. The Zero Breeze is super light, weighing in at only 14 pounds. If using the Zero Breeze inside, simply attach the hose and extend the other end outside. The warm LED light provides the perfect amount of light for camping or other outdoor activities. To use the Bluetooth speaker, simply lift the front panel and connect to your phone. You control your volume levels and skip through songs right from the Zero Breeze. Keep the Zero Breeze wherever you go. So many situations in my life have been made more enjoyable thanks to Zero Breeze. So, how will Zero Breeze help you stay cool? We are so excited for you to be the first to have this product. You can check out our rewards, and thank you for supporting Zero Breeze. Once again, we can't thank you enough for your support. Never worry about the heat again, and stay cool wherever you go with Zero Breeze, the world's coolest portable air conditioner.